Hello everybody, this is Nasim and welcome to my another video. So in this video actually I am going to discuss about the few important things in Shopify partner program. So if you already know about Shopify partner program, then I think this video is not for you. This is actually a beginner friendly video and let's dive in here. So here you can see I am on the Shopify partner program, and in my last video I showed you how you can open a partner program account, which is pretty simple. I hope you can do that. And now here you can see I am on the Shopify partner program stores, and this is the development store. So partner program actually you can utilize the old features and you can build your skills. Like if you want to be a freelancer and if you want to give the service on freelance marketplace and want to earn money from home, then you can use the partner program. Or if you are a developer and you want to make apps, themes, etc., you already know about the partner program, because this is actually for developer or who want to work with Shopify. So this kind of things. So now let's you can see it's the development store. So when you make a developer store, as you can say it's a demo store, you will see in there in manage section you will get to see the access that you give from your customer. So that's actually when you get access from your client store that you didn't made, you will see on there. And archived, when you delete one store you will see on there. And inactive mean when someone give you access and someone remove you from their store, you will see on the inactive section. Okay, and then the referrals, which I do really prefer. You should work with that. Referrals means actually you can earn money from the Shopify. That means you can invite someone else to join Shopify, and if someone joins Shopify and make profile and make store by using your link, then you will get commission. Also, if you have a store and you want to share that to your client, if your client will upgrade it the premium month subscription program, then you will get commission. So that's why actually I really like this program. So, and I will give my referral link on this video description. So if you don't have any Shopify store, I recommend you please use my link, and I will get only extra commission when you go on the premium subscription and without any extra cost from you. So that will be helpful for my channel. So I really appreciate that. Now let's back in here. So next, another important thing is apps. So if you are a developer, you can, if you want to run any, like you want to publish a apps on Shopify apps store, this section is for you. Here you can see build for 1 million plus merchant. So in Shopify, so you already know how popular Shopify is. So if you want to make the apps, that will be, you can, like, it can be free or premium, so it's up to you. So if you are interested, then this section is for you. And then another section is themes. So themes is very popular for Shopify. Like if you can easily make your store on Shopify, but if you want to give your stores professional looks, then you must need a Shopify themes. So actually developer can build theme and they submit it this theme section, and you will see that theme on their Shopify shop or something else maybe. So also, like right now you can buy theme from third party, but always I do recommend you to get theme from their official shops, and then Shopify post. Actually, the other thing that you are seeing on the left hand on this screen, that are no too important, I think, because another important thing you can see, it's the settings. So you will get your personal information on there, you can edit that. So that is the another thing. So this fourth thing actually important, and that's why I gave you a quick overview on there. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more useful video like this, then you can consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.